International Women's Day has been observed since the early 1900s, a time of great expansion and turbulence in the industrialized world that saw booming population growth and the rise of radical ideologies. International Women's Day is celebrated on the 8th March of every year, while as February 12th is commemorated as the National Women's Day to honor the resilience of women in Pakistan. It's the day of praising women who took hard every day to accomplish individual and professional goals. Today, we recall the achievements of some Pakistani female trailblazers who have in recent years accomplished much to make Pakistan proud. The names that appear are not the only ones that deserve a mention. Those that have been left out due to any constraint are just as worthy of our admiration and pride. In fact, all women of Pakistan and the world over deserve more than a day in recognition of their contribution to making this world a better place. Muniba Mazari. Muniba Mazari is an artist, writer, motivational speaker, activist, TV anchor, and she is also wheelchair bound. A car accident in 2007 when she was only 21 injured her spinal cord but not her spirit. She has established her brand known as Muniba's Canvas. Muniba has proved strength is in the spirit and limitations are only those that you put on yourself. Mahak Gul. Mahak Gul is a 15-year-old Pakistani chess champion who first started playing chess at the age of 6 and has since then been taking part in championships both in Pakistan and abroad. At 12, Mahak was the youngest person to represent Pakistan at the World Chess Olympiad and she etched her name in the Guinness World Record book for arranging the chess keys on the board with just her left in only 45 seconds. Malala Yousafzai. Malala is currently the most well-known Pakistani girl around the world. The girl from Swat who wanted to go to school when girls were banned from attending schools in her troubled region caught the world's attention through the blog she wrote on BBC under the pseudonym Gul Makai. She did start going to school later, but she was shot in the head on her way home from school and two of her friends traveling with her in the school van were also injured. Sharmeen Abaid Chennai, journalist, activist and filmmaker. Sharmeen Abaid Chennai has made us proud by bringing home 2 Oscars for Pakistan. Sharmeen's documentaries Saving Face in 2012 about acid attack survivors and A Girl in the River, The Price of Forgiveness in 2015 about honor killings, both controversial topics, won her the Oscar in the category of Best Documentary. Naseem Hameed. When Naseem Hameed was crowned the fastest woman in South Asia in the SAF Games in 2010, no one seemed to have heard of her. The 22-year-old covered the distance of 100 meters in just 11.81 seconds to win the gold medal at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Aisha Farooq. 20-year-old Aisha Farooq is Pakistan's and South Asia's first female war-ready fighter pilot. Hailing from Bahawalpur, Aisha flies Chinese F-7PG combat planes for the Pakistan Air Force. And not to forget, Maryam Mukhtar. She was a Pakistani fighter pilot. She died when a Pakistan Air Force FT-7PG aircraft crashed on November 24, 2015. She was the first female Pakistani fighter pilot to die in the line of duty. Flying officer Maryam could have saved her life had she ejected before taking her aircraft out of populous area, but both pilots decided to take the risk to keep flying the falling jet. She is buried in Malir Cantonment Graveyard. There are many more worth mentioning, but it would take hours, months and years to name them. We stand united with the women of Pakistan and the rest of the world and hope they unlock many more achievements.